Hi, I'm Adrian from Proflow Engineering. Today we're going to talk about our new pop latch system, all available in stainless steel and T6 billet alloy. Also available in 1.5 and 2-inch diameters and suited to all your automotive and industrial needs. This range is also available in anodized black and polished silver. To complement these, we now have a Carby quick release stud kit and our new Zeus fastener style quick release system. Unlike the days of old where you require a tool to quickly release the latch, now it's just a simple push of a button. And there's no major modifications needed to fit. You just drill out your old clips and re-rivet the new ones and you're away to go. These are also very cost effective. For your average street car, a little over $100. For a race car such as this, maybe just over about the $700 mark. For more information on this new range, go to proflow.com.au, where you can find a list of dealers local to you.